Hi there, this is Paula from Deltek, and these are some of the new features we added to Replicon and Polaris in Q1 of 2024. Last year, we launched a resource pools feature that allows resource managers to create custom groups of users based on different criteria, such as whether they're a contractor or their tenure at the company. Resource pools can make it easier for managers to find the users they're looking for during resourcing. Now, in addition to helping filter resources, resource pools can be used to restrict access to resources, or their data, or both. To restrict access, in Resource Manager permission sets, you can choose what user data a manager can access for all resources, or just for the resource pools they manage. For example, you could allow a manager to view only resource cost data for resource pools they manage, or you could block a manager from seeing other resources entirely by restricting the user's sub-permission. Finally, you can now assign one or more co-managers to any resource pool with the same or different access permissions. If you use either a simple or a complex in-out timesheet and have your clock format set to the AM/PM format, you can now choose whether AM or PM apply for each entry on your timesheet. The likeliest option, based on your previous entries and the time of day, still shows beside the entry by default, but the other option will now be available in a drop-down box beneath it. This change allows users to quickly select the correct option when the default is incorrect, and should help prevent time entry errors. For each time off type, you can now hide the policy details for that type from displaying to employees, either to prevent disclosure of certain policy details or to declutter the user balance pages. To hide policies, go to the Edit page for a time off type and set the Show Time Off policy to the Employees field to Disabled. Then, that policy won't display on the End User, Supervisor, and Payroll Manager time off balance pages for that time off type. In Replicon, the name of the user's supervisor now displays on their Overview page, also known as the Home page. If you want to use a custom term instead of supervisor for the user, like say team lead or manager, you can specify this in their user permission set via the supervisor label field.